Eitan, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making Dulce De Leche. Now I'm sure you're wondering, Eitan, where are all the ingredients? Well, let me explain what we're doing today. So today we are making Dulce De Leche, and ready for the ingredient? A can. That little can is all we're using. There's no other ingredients here, as you can see. We are just using this can, which is a can of sweetened condensed milk. If you've never used it before, it is a very versatile ingredient. You can find it in the can aisle at your supermarket. We're going to take this sweetened condensed milk, boil it in the pot, and it's going to become this delicious Dulce De Leche. Now, Dulce De Leche is different than caramel. Dulce De Leche originates in South America, kind of like Argentina. Its exact origins are a little disputed, just like any other food. So, it is absolutely delicious, and one thing that makes it like a lot of people find it better than regular caramel is with regular caramel, you're kind of like burning sugar, you're caramelizing it, which can have a bitter taste. With this, since it's sweetened condensed milk and you're cooking it slowly and the primary ingredient is milk, it doesn't have that burnt like bitter taste, so it is purely sweet deliciousness. So, ready for my stovetop, I have a large pot of water boiling. There are many methods of how you can cook this. This is my favorite personally, just because it's just like the easiest method. So we're gonna take our can right into here, place it into our water, and you just want to make sure that it stays covered the whole time. So you're going to let it boil. If it boils down a little bit, which it will, add in some more water so it's completely covered the whole time. Then we're going to let this boil for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, depending on how thick and dark you want it. I just do about 2.5 hours. That's kind of the good medium. But now, I don't know about you, I don't want to wait around for 2 hours. So, with a little bit of YouTube magic, we already have one that I already did. So let's just open this up and eat the Dulce De Leche. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a can opener and open the can. Now, every time I make Dulce De Leche, I get a little bit nervous that I didn't cook it enough or I overcooked it. So, let's just see. Hopefully it came out well, or else I'm going to have to completely restart this video. Okay, ready? Crack it. Perfect. Okay, I can already see the color is beautiful. It's a nice dark amber color. Here we go. All right. Oh, this looks really good. Okay, this looks amazing. Let's see. Do we have anything I can use behind me? Hold up. Okay, I'm going to just use these tongs to take it out. All right, let's carefully remove that. It's kind of sharp, so you want to be very careful. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, this came out amazing. I think this is honestly the darkest amber color I've ever had with this. I cannot get over how beautiful that looks. Okay, so let's take our spoon right here. I want to show you guys. Look at this thick, luscious caramel. Oh my God. That looks absolutely incredible. Now, let's talk about before I actually no, let me just eat it first and then we'll talk. Okay, let me get a little spoonful of it. I don't necessarily recommend eating this plain. I think it's delicious plain. Other people, when I brought it down, I'm like, do you want to try something? I just give them a spoonful. Like, oh, I don't want that plain. We'll discuss what you can put on in a second, but first let's just give it a try. Okay, ready? Incredible. Wow. Wow. That is seriously incredible. Like I said, it is just pure sweetness, deliciousness, caramelly flavor without that hint of bitterness. So if you don't like caramel because of the bitterness, try this recipe. It's super easy, literally one ingredient. This can's probably make $1, $1.50, something like that. It's really low investment. Try this. I promise you will be converted into a Dulce De Leche lover. It is incredible. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with it. So today, I'm just showing you guys how to make it. It's a quick tip. It's going to be a quick video. I wanted to just show you this to you guys because it's so good. But things you can do with this are anywhere where you're going to put caramel, you can replace it with Dulce De Leche. Now, I'm sure there's some baking recipes that it might not work with because the consistency is a little different. But let's say you're having ice cream, you want to put some caramel on top. This is really great on ice cream. Let's say you're making a pie and there's caramel layer on it. This is really perfect for that. Really, anywhere you want to put caramel as a topping, this is the way to go. There are tons of recipes online that I'm sure you can make with it. I will definitely be doing a recipe soon on my YouTube channel where I actually cook with Dulce De Leche. But if you're like me, most of the time when I make Dulce De Leche, I literally just eat it out of here. So it is that good. This is pretty straightforward, but if you do want the typed out recipe, as always, the link to it is in the description box below and in the information box above. And if you make this, please send me your pictures. I'd love to see how it came out. Did you make a super thick one? Did you cook it a little less time so it's a little lighter? I want to hear all that down below in the comments. If you ever had Dulce De Leche, do you not like caramel? Do you like caramel? I want to hear that all down below. Click that like button if you enjoyed watching. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button. It's right down there. It's big. It's free to click. And you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Okay, if you need me, I'm just going to eat the rest of this because it's that good. Just make it and eat it by the spoonful. I'm telling you. Bye.